Sufoma Machinery Company Limited is one of the key high-tech enterprises in developing and manufacturing wood-based panel machinery in China. It is also a member of China Sinomark Group, which is one of the Fortune Global 500. While we focus on manufacturing of wood-based equipment, such as particleboard production line, MDF and HDF production line, and so on, we are also dedicated to continuous research and development. Today, our sanding machine, the SCIP production line, and the continuous press production line are playing a very important role in this industry. Sufoma is always the first to mention when people think of sanding machines in China. Since the first inception of sanding machine in 1988, Sufoma has developed various series of sanding machines with over 100 models. It works well for wood-based panels like MDF, particleboard, OSB, and plywood. It is suitable for metal sanding such as carbon steel, stainless steel. Also, it can be applied to new building materials like calcium silicate board and gypsum board. Sufoma sanding machine can process from 3 feet to 9.3 feet, up to 1.6 millimeters, with speed of 150 meters per minute and precision of plus minus 0.05 millimeters. Sufoma has delivered to market 2,800 sets of sanding machines to over 30 countries. Sufoma offers clients an innovative finishing line solution integrating sanding line, cutter size, inspection line, and packing line, which we call SCIP for short. The SCIP solution is mainly used in continuous press lines with production capacity of 120,000 to 600,000 cubic meters per year, with materials of the largest size 9.3 feet by 24 feet and a minimum thickness 1 millimeters. Hence, all production requirements can be fulfilled. Till 2020, Sufoma has delivered over 140 sets of sanding and CTS lines, in which 30 sets with 8 feet or above in width. Sufoma continuous press can be used for manufacturing particleboard, MDF, and OSB with 4 feet to 8 feet in width and daily capacity from 300 to 1,500 cubic meters. Thickness covers 1.8 to 40 millimeters. The maximum running speed reached 1,800 millimeters per second. At the same time, Sufoma has made significant progress in technology of drying and sifting, the mat forming, robot handling and auto storage, sanding and CTS. Now Sufoma has delivered over 10 continuous press lines and gained recognition from clients in this field. Sufoma has complete after-sales service system with over 30 professional engineers to provide customers with various service before sales and after. At the same time, we have innovated the production management system and remote maintenance system to enable online specialist support, especially in this tough COVID period. For customer concern, we have dispatched site support engineers to abroad, like South Africa, Thailand, Iran, and India. By the way, we have established remote video conference room, which helps clients with convenient and professional guidance.